We are going to be turning this uninhabitable nightmare into a 2-story bedroom with a big bathroom at the bottom. And today is the day we get started on that project. This is going to seem a little alarming. Okay, so I ran into my first problem. Try not to shred my thumb. Buenos dias, guys, and welcome to sunny Costa Rica. Today is day 1 of our bedroom build. We'll be installing posts and getting a roof installed, hopefully within the next couple of days, and I'm going to show you how we do it. You're on camera, Mikey. So guys, I have 5 of these posts to make. What I did on a previous day was weld pieces of rebar to the bottom, and then we spray sealed them and then water sealed it with a spray-on rubberized water coat. So the bottom 2 feet of this post is going to go into the ground. So these are on there to help stabilize the post so it doesn't shift in the concrete. So I have 3 more of those to do, and that's what we're on today. So it started raining, and I've been warned that welding in the rain is a great way to get yourself electrocuted. So we're gonna have to take a break. I feel like I'm never gonna get this room done. Oh, there's thunder. Mike's still cutting the grass. Morning guys, it's day 2. We ended up only doing a couple of posts prep yesterday because we got rained out pretty early, but it's sunny and beautiful today. The radar says there shouldn't be any rain, at least till much later, so I'm hoping we're gonna get those posts in the ground today. Wish us luck. That there is what victory looks like. Huzzah. stage 1 done just in time because it started raining. We've got 2 posts here on these corners, 1 post on the inside, and 2 posts on these corners. And 1 post right there. Stage 2, we cut the posts to height and install the floor.